Hey everyone, Colin here. I know it's been too long, um, but I tell you the truth, it is so difficult for me to get some videos done at home because I have my little ones who um, greatly crave and deserve my attention. So that's been very difficult to do at home. So I had to find another spot during the day. I think this is what I might have to do going forward to be able to get these videos out. So the main thing that I wanted to bring to your attention is this one, Neo. All right, for those of you that watch The Matrix, I like to say, Neo, you are the one. So in this particular video, we're covering Neo and what I'm expecting coming up. And to do this, I want to be able to first, make a comparison to what happened with Cardano. As you all know, that I did a video, this was several weeks back, or, over a month or two ago, about Cardano. And we were talking about first getting through this major area of resistance, right? We were talking about getting through here and then getting above the 23.6. This is around the 33-cent level, and with the weekly close, I said if we can close above this level on the Fibonacci retracement, right, this is from the all-time high in 2018, to its all-time low. So these lines have been drawn out by the Fibonacci tool. So I said if we can get and close above here, that's going to be a very good sign for a strong move up. And was it a strong move up? Well, we went from 34 cents to first to 69 cents. So we went up 100%. The very next week, we went up again, another 50%. We went up to 97 cents. Okay. Then we had, of course, a little pullback. We went up again to $1.19. Had a major, well, this is unusual. This particular wick, this was on Bittrex. We did have a bit of a retracement, but it wasn't like this on all the exchanges. We probably came down again somewhere around 80 cents before going back up to meet the previous all-time high at $1.38. Right? So of course, from here, you can never expect to break through your all-time high and stay above there on your very first try. It's not gonna happen, right? So I always make it a good practice to sell at the all-time high with the intention of buying back up. There's normally at least a 30% retracement, and check it out, right? $1.38. We actually went to, we wicked through to like $1.47, but $1.38. So call it 14 cents. Right? Times that by 30, that's 45 cents. Come back down. We went down to 97, just about 30% retracement. Okay, if I actually measure from here and I come down to this level of the wick, right? 32.77%. So we had a 33% retracement. And now, of course, we spent 2 weeks down there, and now the strong move up. Now, of course, people are going to say this is based on the announcement that Coinbase, Cardano is going to be added to Coinbase. But long before that announcement, we could tell you that this is what was going to happen because this is what always happens in the charts. That's why technical analysis is absolutely important. Now, with that being said, I wanted to bring the example to Neo now, because everything happens in cycles, right? Nothing goes up forever, just like nothing goes down forever. So we had our major movement in the last bull run. We took several months coming back down, moved down to our low, and started our sideways movement, our consolidation. Then we got above the 50-week moving average. That was like check mark number one of the most important things. If you know a big move is coming, we got to get over that 50-week. Then we had to get above this level of resistance. How do we know this was going to be a major level? Look left. If we take a look in the past, we see that this was major support. because here was where it started our massive run up. Okay, so anything that starts a massive run, it's significant. We came back down here and we bounced off of this for a little bit, came above, we stayed above for a few more weeks, and when we broke through this level right here, July 2018, we stayed under that level from July 2018, guys. Right to, let's see, how do we do this? Oh, I don't think it'll let me do it from here. Anyway, from July 2018, we didn't break back through. We didn't break through it till February 2021. So again, we're looking at about 2.5 years. 2.5 years we were down under in this level. Okay, so now we finally broke through, but naturally, when you break through something, now the roles have changed. This used to be resistance, now it's going to become support. But how do we know that? We have to retest, right? So when we broke through, we went all the way and stuck our head above the 23.6 level, but we had to come back down, and what did we do? We touched exactly on this line to confirm, yes, this is now support. And then we stayed here for a week or two, and now NEO has started to move its way back up. So what do I see is going to happen from here? So once again, let's look at history with Cardano. We broke through the initial level that was under the 23.6. NEO, we broke through the initial level that was under the 23.6. Cardano, we moved our way above the 23.6 level, and we were met with resistance just a little bit above that 23.6 mark. NEO, we moved just above the 23.6 and we were met with resistance just above this mark. Once again, if we look to our left, let's look at history. This was a major rejection point right here. Right? And just like over here, it was major support, resistance, support, and then resistance. So that is why we got rejected and we came back down to test this level. Okay? Same thing with Cardano. We pushed up, we moved back down, we came back down underneath the 23.6 for a little bit, and we had to settle above this line. And once we settled above this line, it took us 2 weekly candles to do that. Then it was off to the races, right? We would then go over the course of the next 4 weeks. Okay, over the next 4 weeks, we went 331%. So let's take a look at NEO. As you can probably figure out by now, NEO is going to also complete this cycle. I mean, that's how it is. Okay, in a bull run, all coins pretty much go back to their all-time highs. Okay, so of course NEO is not going to be any different. It's a very strong coin, always has been, and so we can look for NEO to make that move up as well. But before that, of course, we have a few things that we need to do. One, we got to get back above this 23.6. We're going to settle here for a little bit, and then we're going to make our move up. Where do we see additional levels of resistance? We see right here. This is pretty significant. If we look left over here, resistance, support, resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance. So this, also is a significant level at $69. But once we blast through here, especially the $92 range, this is where I would expect us to get back up to. And then we'll probably have a rejection that takes us down, somewhere down here, a retracement of somewhere around 30% or so. Settle down, and we start making our move back up again to our all-time high, which was $196. So that's what I'm expecting for NEO. It's looking really good right now because, like I said, for one, we've broken a 2.5-year long resistance. We are above the 50-week moving average. And so, yeah, it's time. and we're about to get above the 23.6 again to try to settle and stay above it, and then boom, we're going to be off to the races. So we have to take a look, we have to watch how these weekly closes end up. Of course, this is there's 3 days left in this candle, so we'll see how NEO does. But this is something to look out for. Big things for NEO, in my opinion. If you want to try out TradingView, you can sign up for free. Try out some of the basic indicators. I have a link to TradingView in the description. Go ahead and show me some love, and you know, use my link to register with TradingView. I am in the process of doing some training videos in regards to TradingView and on cryptocurrency in general. So look out for that. Some really great things coming. So until the next video, guys, take care.